Wrap your teeth with foil and you will not believe the results. This treatment has been described by numerous people as effective. Classic tooth whitening does not work on all teeth, especially if they are gray, as the effect is not visible and is only more effective when it comes to yellowing teeth. There are many teeth whitening products on the market today, and some of them contain small amounts of carbamide peroxide and small teeth whitening particles. However, you can make your own toothpaste for teeth whitening and can be achieved as follows. 1. Mix some baking soda with your usual toothpaste. 2. Take a piece of foil and fold it to fit your teeth. 3. Apply the paste you have to foil and then put it on your teeth. 4. Let the paper remain on the teeth for an hour. If you want to get faster and better results, repeat this procedure twice a day for a period of 7 days. Only after several days will you realize the first results, and in some cases you will have to wait a few weeks. According to dentists, this tooth whitening treatment is completely safe, and there are no health risks to your teeth if you practice it. However, care should be taken to avoid repeating this treatment too often, in order to avoid damage to the dental.